Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to get a month ahead YNAB easy guide. Start by covering next month using income you already have and assign every dollar to a category immediately. Next, pause spending on non-essentials while you move funds into priority categories. Track recurring bills and set scheduled transactions so nothing surprises you. Reconcile accounts weekly and adjust budget goals as you see progress to stay consistent. Make small weekly actions so building a month ahead feels manageable and steady. Each week review spending, move surplus into the next month, and update scheduled transactions for accuracy. Treat this like a habit. 3 quick checks keep priorities aligned and prevent backsliding. Celebrate small wins when you fund a category fully for next month, and keep a simple list of upcoming bills so nothing surprises you. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel and keeps tips coming. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for music, timers, and gentle budget reminders that fit your routine. I've linked the product and other deals in the description so you can check it out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Expect bumps and plan for them so the month ahead stays sustainable and low stress. With irregular income, split funds between buffer and essentials so you don't overspend. Use a focused debt payoff to free up monthly cash and avoid relying on credit cards to bridge gaps. Adjust category goals when necessary and keep communication open with partners about shared expenses to ensure the plan lasts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.